everyone, I'm Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're gonna be doing a wig review by Outre's Color Bomb Inanna. So anyways, before we get started, just let you know we are gonna do the wig review and also the install, talk about the pros and cons. And then also, if you can, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. It really helps me out. And also share it with your friends or with other girls that you think, you know, might like this wig and it might look good on them. So it could be your aunt, your mom, your sister, your friend, your co-worker. You know, share it out with them because we're girls and you know we can all benefit from each other. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump right in.
All right, y'all, so this is color DRSD Sunfire Night. She's 24 inches. As you can see, she has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the elastic band. She has a 5-inch deep heart, natural baby hairs, and a pre-pucked HD lace. And you can apply heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm checking her out, and I'm excited. She's giving glueless vibes. Look at this. Outre did really, really well. All right, I'm gonna be quiet now and let you enjoy me installing it. And over here, I didn't really want to lay the baby hairs down. I just kind of wanted them to chill out a little bit. But I wanted a really natural look, just kind of soft, wispy hairs, you know? So I applied 2 different powders, a lighter one and then a darker one to get to my perfect skin complexion for my scalp so that the part looks really natural. We're all about natural today.
All right, so thanks so much for staying through to this point in the video to see my opinions on the pros and cons of this wig. I gotta be honest with you, the only con about this wig, it's not big head friendly in my opinion. I mean, a big head girl could probably wear it, but she might have to lift it a bit in the back or wear it more as like a closure instead of ear to ear lace. That would be the only con. So as far as the pros, I feel like there's so many of them. I love the color of the wig. That's definitely a pro. I just think it's so cool how outre did this. Like this like orangey kind of ginger color over this dark brown. And then they did kind of like a money piece highlight on this side. They did it really, really nice. Another thing that I liked is, even though there wasn't much space to pluck, outre did a good job of plucking the little space that they had and creating actual like natural baby hairs. Another thing too is that this wig lays flat. I mean, really flat. I didn't even have to pass the hot comb on it to flatten it out. And so it was a really quick install, as you saw. I could even wear this glueless, honestly, like if I didn't care about the sides showing, if I wanted to wear it as a closure myself. So, you know, basically I just wouldn't be able to like lift this up, or maybe I could if I pulled my own hair out on the sides, then it would all blend together. But this is definitely gonna be like a grab and go wig for me, honestly, because it just seems so quick and easy. And it reminds me a lot of my natural hair, because I usually wear it in my hair to the side. Even though I'm a lefty, I'm a left part kind of gal, but, and this is the right side part, but it still just looks like me. So I feel just like my normal Gigi, except with like a super awesome hair color. And the texture is really nice. It's so soft and it doesn't tangle like that. It hasn't shed on me. And it's not too shiny. Like, it doesn't look wiggy. It looks really natural. It looks really, really natural. Like, if I go outside, I know that people are gonna think it's my natural hair, and that makes me feel kind of good, you know? And then the part, it's really deep. So that's a nice touch. And the line, the part, it looks natural too. I don't know, I feel like the grids are not OD big. You know, they're not huge or anything like that. And I just went through with my powder and put it on the inside of the part and on the inside of the lace here. And then afterwards over it on the top. And I feel like it looks really good. Look at that. If you want to play around with color or not, if you just like the style, this is definitely a good buy. This is a great, great buy. I'm gonna go ahead and get it in my natural hair color, which will probably be like a natural or a 1B. 4 and 2 was a bit too light for me as far as my natural hair goes. I hope that you liked my video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And also comment down below. Let me know, are you gonna buy this wig? Have you tried this wig out? Have you ever put on a wig before? And what do you think about the color? Is there a color you would like to try? And don't worry, if you do want to purchase this wig and you haven't yet, I have the links below, right in my description box, to where I purchased it and also to Amazon. So anyways, thank you so much again for joining, and have a great day. Much love.